In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get creative requests in Monday.com. In just 5 minutes, we'll walk through the entire process step by step to ensure you can easily set up and manage your creative requests with ease. So let's get started. First things first, we need to head over to Monday.com, open your preferred web browser, and navigate to their homepage. Once you're there, you'll see an option to log in at the top right corner of the page. Go ahead and click on that. Now, you will be prompted to sign in. For simplicity, let's use the Google Login option. Click on the Google Sign In button, and then carefully choose your Google account from the list that appears. Make sure that it's the correct one associated with your Monday.com workspace to avoid any confusion or access issues later on. Once you're logged into your Monday.com account, direct your attention to the left panel on your dashboard. Here, you'll find a plus icon. Clicking this will allow you to create a new board, which is essential for organizing and managing your creative requests. After you click the plus icon, a window will appear presenting you with the option to explore various templates. For our purpose, you'll want to access the Template Center. The Template Center is a fantastic resource that offers pre-configured templates suited for a variety of project management needs. Click on it to proceed. In the Template Center, you'll find a search bar. Here, you want to type in Creative Request to find the specific template we need. The search might bring up a few options, so make sure to click on the template labeled Creative Requests to move forward. Once you've located the Creative Requests template, click on it. You'll now see a detailed overview of what this template offers, which should include sections for submitting, tracking, and managing creative requests seamlessly. Finally, to start using this template, click on the Use Template button. This step will create a new board in your workspace set up specifically for handling creative requests. Once it's set up, you can customize the columns, settings, and permissions as you see fit to adapt to your team's workflow and requirements. And there you have it. You've successfully set up a board for creative requests in Monday.com. This newly created board will help streamline your creative processes, ensuring that all requests are tracked, managed, and completed efficiently. Remember, regular updates and communication within the board are key to maximizing its effectiveness. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.